Are you sure this doesn't make me look fat, Alfred? Why have you started recording? What are we gonna do with you, Alfred? Welcome to Batman's Nature Minute, featuring your host, Batman. Today, we're gonna be talking about bats again, because I'm a little obsessed. The logo for Bacardi rum is a bat. Specifically, the Mexican freak-tail bat. Scientific name, molossus. Bacardi rum was founded in 1862 by Facundo Bacardi Maso on the island of Cuba. They got the idea for a bat in the logo when they saw fruit bats roosting in the rafters of their refinery. The Mexican freak-tail bat, however, is not a fruit bat. It's an insect-eating bat. The reason they chose it is because it has significance to making Bacardi rum. Because the Mexican freak-tail bat eats bugs that are pests of the sugarcane crop, which are used to make rum. And also, in the Cuban culture, bats are considered good luck. Bats are definitely good luck for me, because I'm Batman! This has been Batman's Nature Minute.